if you're a fan of Eli Tomac or just dirt bike racing in general, motocross, supercross, whatever, this news is probably going to be pretty good for you. Because if you're following the rumors, apparently there's no room at Star Racing or at Yamaha for Dylan Ferrandis next year, which would mean that Cooper Webb, you know, the least kept secret in the world, is signing with Star Racing. But also, who's the other guy? Well, apparently, Michael Lindsay on the Vital MX Race Review show said, quote, "Not only is he coming back, but there is also strong indications of a 2-year deal." So maybe, just maybe, Eli Tomac, after tearing his Achilles and, you know, being out for the end of Supercross and now all of motocross, he might be getting that little itch. And personally, I think it'd be great because next year you get, if all this is true, in the comments below, you tell me, do you believe any of this stuff? That 1, Cooper Webb is signing with Yamaha. 2, that Eli Tomac is coming back, and much less coming back on a 2-year deal. And 3, the fact there's another rumor that Dylan Ferrandis might be retiring, but that's a whole nother video. I don't know. I think it's great because personally, you know, he should have won last year's Supercross. This year, I think he would have given Jet Lawrence a really good run for his money, or at least had a very good competition between the two of them. But if he comes back, obviously he'll be older but more rested, and you know, he might have that drive to get that last championship that was kind of taken from him. But in the comments below, you tell me, do you think it's true? Do you think he is going to come back? And if it is, you think it's a 2-year deal or maybe just a 1-year deal, and he's just going to try and hit that last sweet note and then leave on on his golden chariot? But whatever it is, comment it down below. As you're down there, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.